Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install the TrashSlot mod for 1.8.9, which basically helps you get rid of unwanted items instead of having to drop them all over the place and then pick them up by mistake. You can just put them in that slot. And we're going to be installing it for 1.8.9. Here's the TrashSlot. So you just put it in there and it's all good. So anyway, I'm not sure how it works, but basically you just do some sort of thing. You probably know because you want to install it, but anyway, it adds a TrashSlot for your Minecraft. And you can read the instructions up here if you want to know how it works. Anyway, let's go to 1.8.9, which is the version we're gonna be installing, and just press this. Show this. Just press download fast before it loads all the ads. Now you can close this before it loads even more ads. So yeah, if it shows ads straight away, just click it again and download it, and just press yes or whatever if it shows it. Now we're gonna go to Forge 1.8.9, download the recommended version. By the way, both links will be in the description, so you can just find them and click them. And if they're not working, leave a comment and I'll check it out. And we'll just wait and press skip up here when it loads, and press keep. It's safe, it's forged. So yeah, now we're gonna minimize this like that. Put my recording software down a bit, minimize that I mean. And we're gonna drag these two here. If you can't drag them, go to downloads. You can do that here, downloads. You can do that in files, find the downloads. Anyway, just get them somewhere you know. Then I want to minimize Google. I want to install Forge. So we're just going to double click this. We're going to press OK. And it successfully installed. By the way, it may take you longer, so don't worry if it takes longer. It's fine. So yeah, just press OK. Now we're going to go to %, in Windows search. You want to find .minecraft. It should be up here, or it can be down here. You want to go into it and find the mods folder. If there isn't a mods folder, that's okay. Do right click, new folder, mods, or a lot of letters. As you can see, there is already a mod in here. We just want to remove it, or you can put it somewhere else because it might crash with the TrashSlot mod. Sometimes some mods do not work together. So just make sure it's empty, and you want to put this mod in here. You can drag it. I'm going to drag it. You can copy and paste it in here. There's many ways. It should be just in here. Now we want to close this. We can also remove installer.log. We do not need this anymore. And Forge, we do not need that here. And we can just start Minecraft. And then we want to go here and we want to select where it says 1.8.9 Forge. If it's not there, it hasn't installed, so just try installing it again. As I shown you, just double click that thing I just deleted and press OK. Now we're gonna press play. We're gonna wait for it to load. I hope you can see this. If we go to mods, this TrashSlot mod is loaded, so it's gonna be working probably, and it's most likely gonna be working. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.